Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain.hunting.blonde, and today I have for you my first handbag reveal of 2023. It is in this box, which is very nice gift wrapping, and I know you guys cannot really see, but the box says Bergdorf's on it. So I did order this through a sales associate before Goyard had their latest price increase, and I have not opened it. So this is like a true unboxing because I knew I could not wrap it again quite as beautifully as they did. So I wanted to wait. As you guys can see, here is the box. There you go. You can kind of see the name on there. I did ask if they had a box from Goyard, and Goyard doesn't really do boxes for the bag that I purchased, which if you guys have watched my wish list video, you probably know what it is. So they sent it to me in a very beautiful Bergdorf box, tissue paper, crazy story. So I contacted my SA at Bergdorf's. I was like, hey, do you have this bag? I really want to get it before the price goes up. And he said, oh, this one? And he said, yeah, I have it. Let me have my assistant text you. So she texted me, I gave her all my info, and less than 24 hours later, I had the bag in my hand coming from New York to California, which is wild. Like absolutely wild. Very great customer service. Very happy about that. It is in this little Goyard dust bag. So this is my second Goyard bag, and I'm giving it another go because I do have the St. Louis tote in the GM size in the white, and it has not held up well. And I now know that that bag is not meant to be a tote bag like the Neverfull. It is meant to be more of a beach bag or a purse where you're not putting laptops in it. So I did kind of kill that bag, and I kind of thought, you know, it was more the Goyard fault because I had been seeing everyone say, oh, this is a great alternative and different to the Neverfull. Plot twist, it is not, because it is not meant to be used like the Neverfull has been used. So this is my second foray into Goyard, and this is definitely a handbag. And it is, get it out of this little dusty bag, and it is not stuffed at all, so excuse its shape. The little Goyard Petite Flotte, I'm not sure how you say it. We're gonna call it the mini bucket bag in the signature Goyard print, which is black and brown and white, and then with the like cognac brown trim. I saw this bag on Limelight Lane, who's one of my friends on Instagram, and I saw that she had it, and then therefore I also needed it because it was adorable. Let me tighten it a little bit so you guys can see how cute. It's still like literally brand new, still has on the strap, the plastic. I know this bag would have been cheaper in Europe, but I did not want to wait for another price increase, and I knew I wanted it. So this bag was $2,370 plus tax. It used to be that certain colorways were cheaper than other at Goyard, but Goyard has now made it so that all colors are the same price. So if you get this in yellow, green, blue, they're all going to be the same. Those used to be more expensive, but not anymore. What came with the bag is a little Goyard care booklet about the bag with the name of the bag on the top right there, and then also my receipt from Bergdorf's is in this little envelope. I did get it as a gift receipt because it was a gift to myself. But basically, I just wanted them to wrap it nicely. So I was like, hey, you know, I'm gifting this to myself. Will you wrap it? And she was like, yes, I will. So that's why I ended up with a gift receipt, because they told the shipping people that it was a gift. But it was just a gift for me. And this bag is very cute. I'm very excited to use it. It is incredibly light, which is something I am always looking for because I do have back problems. I know for some people, the strap, which is it somewhat adjustable? Yes, which is somewhat adjustable, may or may not work for you, but the adjusting is actually really interesting. So you can kind of see it here that it is on the farthest adjuster, because see right there, you see there's like a little rivet, which is like, is it silver? It is silver. A little silver rivet. There are actually two rivets in the bag. There's one up top here, which has this last part of the strap. And then there's actually one, can you see it down? Yes, you can see it. See at the bottom of the bag? So you can shorten this strap a lot, and there are holes throughout a good portion of the bag. So you do have the ability to adjust it by two on each side. And you know, you do have the rivets on both sides of the bag, so you can see them down there. So you could really make this pretty adjustable compared to some of the other one-size-fits-all straps you get on these smaller bucket bags. Like I'm thinking of the Nano bucket bag that I have from Louis Vuitton. You literally only have one option on the strap, which is unfortunate for people who are not as tall as me, but it works great for me. This is also bigger than the Nano from Louis Vuitton. This is more of the, not the Noe size, because I do actually have right here the Neo Noe in one of the limited edition summer prints, and you can see he's definitely bigger. But it is similar to the Monogram BB that I have, which I actually don't think has an adjustable strap. And this size is actually a little bit more comparable to my little Prada bucket bag right here, which, as you can tell, I have a bucket bag problem. I love bucket bags. So actually I am going to be making, I have to round up all my bucket bags, but I had a request to make a bucket bag comparison video, which I will definitely do because I love bucket bags. So this is my first bag of 2023, was on my wish list. Very excited to get it, very excited to use it. I really hope that this bag and I have a better experience than the St. Louis and I did. But like I said, that was a bit of user error on the St. Louis part because I thought it could be used like a Neverfull. Like I said, this is obviously not a Neverfull. This is a little purse, but it is big. Like, let me show you. I showed you compared to the other two, but this is it compared to my phone. Like, it is definitely going to fit. It could fit a full-size wallet, your sunglasses, all of that. If you're interested, I'd be happy to do a what's in my bag for this bag and let you guys know how it holds up after I use it a little bit. But I wanted to do a true unboxing for you guys, fully show you the bag, tell you the price that I paid for it. I think it's either had a price increase or about to have a price increase. It depends on when this video goes up. I know Goyard does not release their prices to the public, and you cannot buy their pieces online. You have to know a sales associate or go into a Goyard store, which there is one in San Francisco, but I just didn't want to go wait in line. And I don't have a sales associate at Goyard in San Francisco. Like I mentioned, my sales associate for Goyard is through Bergdorf's in New York. So just didn't want to go wait outside. I don't like waiting outside in lines, and that is still very much a thing in San Francisco, and making appointments is still also very much a thing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today to my first reveal of 2023 for my handbags, I should say. There's just been other things. But if you want to see more handbag reviews, handbag reveals, handbag comparisons, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which I try to make twice a week. If you want to see how I style my handbags, please make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, my blog, all of which are linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.